All right, I just wanted to make a video to help format and just kind of improve your Excel presentations and skills. I did take the name off this, so there's no name. Just want to show you how you can improve yourself. So, for example, I got this in an email, and there was a small heading here. I just took it out. But you see how the givens over here, they're not really in their own cell, which you can then use in the main equations. Okay. So if you notice, these are numbers in here. This is what we call hardwiring numbers, and you don't want to do that. Okay. You want to use the givens in these equations, so you can change the givens and it will automatically change the numbers and then the graph. Okay. Furthermore, typically we will center these and also keep these in like sig figs. Okay, I would probably do the hundredth because we're using 9.81 right now. Just use that. Okay. Another thing, see how this is tank water height? Like I would abbreviate these, maybe call it HT and VE and H. Okay. I do have an Excel sheet that I will show you that I did. On the graph, do you see how the white, there's a big white space at the bottom? We can eliminate that. And these should have units on there. I don't know what, are they feet? Are they meters? And the title actually is pretty good. So let me show you a better approach. Okay, so let me just move this out of the way. All right. Hopefully this works this time. I did record another video and for some reason it didn't quite work. So, all right. Now look, top left, you have a nice heading up here. And you're going to notice everything I do is top down. Okay. Not to the right. All right. So you have your name, you have the email, you have date, the school, what homework number, the problem number. I do this because you might have to come back this in a few weeks or a few months or maybe a few years, and everything is right here. Okay. I include nomenclature because you want to abbreviate these, which are your solution or your variables in your graph. Okay, you don't want to make them long. And then this is where, okay, that's pressure, density of water. Actually, it should be pressure inside tank, right? Be more specific. And then down here, I have my givens, and they're in each cell with the unit. Okay, because these givens are going to be used in these main equations. And then I have what I'm looking for and assumptions. Okay. Now down below in the solution, this is the height of the water in the tank. And I used an equation, if you can tell right here. Okay. I actually said equals, I click up and then +1, and it makes this equation, and you can actually left click and drag down to 15, or you can actually go here and you can double click, okay, in the bottom corner. Now, these table numbers, these are using the givens and this, okay? In order to use these numbers that are in the givens, you can use these double dollar signs that are up here, okay? So if I hit enter, if I go to the next cell down, this is using these givens, but then it's using this next row down. Okay. So again, you make one equation and you can go to this corner where the crosshairs turn, double click on your left mouse button and it'll fill it out. Same with the H. This is based on one given and then this. Okay. Oops. So again, I didn't hardwire numbers. I used the values in the givens and to create these. And look, everything has borders. Everything has borders. Okay. You can go up here, you can click on this, and you can click all borders, and then like it has all borders. These have the rights, like right now, the correct sig figs that I would want to see, they're not like this. Don't do that. I would do like hundredth for now. And then my graph here, I have variable with units, variable with units. Not sure what's up with that. That might be just a glitch. There you go. And then I have a title, and then my graph that is zoomed in. Okay. If you double click this, you can change your bounds so it zooms in. Okay. So just a video to help you improve your Excel formatting skills and techniques that you're going to use later in life. All right. Good luck, and let me know if you have questions. Bye now.